Hey kids, welcome back to another video. Okay, so today we are going to learn about basketball.
And we're going to play basketball in the front. See?
No.
Basketball.
Do you want to go play basketball in the front?
And you just see a basketball and you say, okay, kids.
Alrighty, so what are we going to do?
Okay, let me hold the camera.
No. Okay, so what
Let
are
me
we
hold
going
the camera in the front.
No. Okay, so are we going to play some basketball?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
See.
Wait, what ball? Mr. Helper, can you please give us a ball? Oh, here is a ball. It's a soccer ball, not a basketball. Because the basketball's too big for young little Ezra. Okay, bounce.
No.
Bounce. No. Bounce.
Yummy,
Like this. Who's Yao Ming?
He's from China. He's from China.
Okay. All right. I think we've had enough of bouncing the ball, right? Right, Ezra?
Yeah.
Okay.
China.
Okay. So now, look. Let's bounce it.
China. Josh, be the hoop and I'm going to draw now.
Okay.
Let me hold it
Here,
down.
I have my hands.
No, you
There.
need to be on the
Throw it in.
No, be the hoop on the wall.
Okay. Here, the hoop on the wall.
No, you need to put
Here.
the camera down.
No, there. Go in.
Yeah.
Whoa! You just scored.
China.
Yeah. Okay.
China.
So now, final thing. So, what are the name of people that play basketball? Basketball players. Yeah. Yes.
And
So, do you know some basketball players?
Yep, I go China.
Okay. So now let's name some basketball players. How many players do you know?
China.
No. How many players do you know? What number?
10.
10. Let's see. Okay. First player. We all know this guy. Michael.
Jordan and Yao Ming.
No. Okay, Michael Jordan.
And Yao
Okay,
Ming.
next one.
Yao Ming.
He is famous for his fat ass Euro steps. What is his name? James?
No, I said Yao Ming.
No, James.
Harden.
Yeah.
Yao Ming got it. Yao Ming got
Now, we have the next basketball player. His name ends in James. It is LeBron.
it. Yeah. China.
No, LeBron James. Okay, now next basketball player. So he is famous for his 3-pointers, which is Stephen.
Correct. China.
Yes.
China.
Okay, other one. He is known as the man who can fly high. His name is Larry.
Bird. China.
Say it properly.
Larry Bird and China.
Okay, now he is known as Big China, the man. His name is Yao.
Ming. Yao Ming.
Alrighty, last one. Who do you know? Kevin.
Durant.
Yes, Kevin Durant. Alright, oh yes, one more. Giannis. Say it properly. Giannis.
Telepumpa. China.
Yes, Giannis on Tenapumpo, or whatever. You guys can research after. Alrighty, now kids. We hope that you like the video. Stay tuned for future Kids fun Josh and Ezra fun time videos, because now we're going to be playing some basketball.
We're gonna see you kids when we get to the outside.
No, that's in a different video. Bye.